Hello and welcome to the KonyOne version 5.0 introductory video series. Today I'm going to show you how to integrate native third-party code, whether it was a third-party widget or some native code you've written specifically for one of the platforms out there, and utilize that within inside of your Kony application. First thing we're going to do is we're going to create a Kony application. We'll call this the Kony demo FFI. By hitting finish, that'll go ahead and build out all the components of our application. We'll go in here, we'll create a real simple form. Let's call this form FFI. And we'll drag some widgets onto the form. Our first label will just be a label that describes what we're pulling back and displaying. So we're going to display the battery level of the device, and the second label, we'll give it a name, and this will hold the corresponding value. We'll go in and now set up our custom library. So we'll define our namespace first. We'll call this FFI. Then we'll define our JavaScript function here. We'll call this get battery level. And here's where we map the native libraries to a JavaScript function. So a jar file. Within that jar file, we have define level. Class is get back info, and the method is get battery level, and it returns a double. It'll generate all the corresponding JavaScript functions that it needs. We're set to go. The last thing we do now is on our form is on our post show. What we want to happen is just to write a couple lines of Java or script. So the first one is going to just get the level from that library. You see there's the get battery level. And then what we want to do is take that level, that value, and assign it to our second widget that would display the battery level. There we just do the form FFI dot label that, and we're going to get its text property and assign the level to it. Okay, so at this point we'll save our project. Now we're going to go in and we're going to build our Android application. Click finish. And we'll go off, and now the application's been built. I've launched an emulator, and here's an Android emulator. Now you see the battery level with a 0.5. So that concludes the video demonstration for today on how to integrate third-party libraries or native code into your Kony project. Thanks for listening.